So you said you wanted a low pro. I was gonna try to do a low pro. I got this sweet canopy. It is actually a pretty cool canopy. I think it's the same as like a E010. It's made by Raycon. It's really tough. It's thick. Like, you know, it doesn't bend very easily. But anyway, that would have been perfect to make a low pro, but I couldn't find any good enough mounts to print out to mount the camera in the bottom here. And this camera, the Wolfwhoop Q2, actually didn't fit that great under here in the front, so yeah, went with the canopy instead. So you got the Q2, you got the Alien Zero flight controller, and you have a XM receiver, which is right there hidden behind the battery. So when you get it, I'll show you real fast to how to bind it up and everything. Well, I'm sure you know how to bind the receiver, but so you want to make a new model in your radio, and first you want to go to the settings in your radio and make sure you go to the settings page and you go to the very bottom and it shows what your channel map is. It's usually TAER 1234, but you need it to be AETR. AERT. Let me check.
Welcome to OpenTX. Switch warning.
AETR. Okay, you need an AETR 1234, or just AETR, whatever. After you bind it up and then you unplug the battery and plug the battery back in, and you see that you have the green solid light on your receiver, you'll see the LED on the flight controller flashing. It does some different flashes and then it goes solid. When it's solid, that means it's ready to fly. So I haven't really tested this much. I just got finished with it. I did do a quick test hover yesterday and I noticed that there was a little bit of oscillation. I'm not sure if it's because this is a HV battery or not, but that's the only thing I could think of. I mean, we can't plug this into Betaflight or anything to check it. So let's turn it around and I'll show you. It flies so damn smooth though. It's the smoothest shit I've ever seen. Alright, here we go. And you can change the rates and stuff. There's some videos for how to change the rates and whatnot. God, that is so smooth. Let me see what the different flight modes. Okay, now it's in self-level. God dang. Oh yeah. So it's got pretty good power and it has angle and acro. Here's angle. And then there's acro. Or actually it's air mode. Whoa. It flies so damn smooth. It's just like, it's crazy. It's crazy. I'm a believer now. I mean, you know, I've been seeing all over Facebook and everything about the Zero flight controller, and I didn't think nothing of it. You know, I've flown silverware before on a E010 that I flashed, but man, this is just the smoothest flying whoop I've ever flown, and I've flown a ton of them. Seriously, I mean, it's awesome. The power's good. Also, I checked the video feed and it looks great even when you're throttling up. So, because I have it soldered directly to the battery cable, so. It's on channel F6. And there you go. Looks really good. So yeah, this thing's ready to go. Just do what I said, you know, make a new model, make sure it's AETR or AERT. God damn it, I keep getting those backwards. Whatever I said it was. You got the brace too, the carbon brace, which really helps a lot with keeping the frame stiff. Stiffens it up quite nicely. So yeah, this is just ready to go. I was thinking just to leaving the antenna how it is, hanging out the back. I might stick a piece of heat shrink over this part or something. But yeah, it's good to go. I hope you like it. Alright, thanks Nate.